Now we will see the experiment to study the resonance in an air column. Now you can see over here in this particular figure, I will enlarge it a bit. Now you can see here in the A part, there is one cylinder A which is held with the help of a stand, and at the lower end, one end is open, you can see, and the lower end is connected to a tube, and this tube goes over here. It goes to B. What is B? B is another vessel. Okay, it is another cylindrical vessel. This is A cylindrical tube, B is cylindrical vessel. They are connected with the help of a tube, hollow tube, so that water from A can go to B. And A is fixed. The level of A is fixed, but the level of B is, you can loosen it and you can make it up and down. You can change the position of the B vessel. Okay, so depending on that, when you change the position of the B level up and down, the water in level in A will also change. It will become up and down. Clear? Understood the apparatus? Now what we will do, we will take a tuning fork and we are going to vibrate it, strike it, vibrate it, and bring it near this A. Now over here in A you can see this much part which is vacant. What does it contain? It contains air column. It contains air. We will call it as an air column because it is cylindrical. Okay, so we will call it as an air column. Now you can see that when this tuning fork is vibrating, this air particles over here, they also start vibrating. Now when they start vibrating, they will produce a sound. They will produce a sound. And suppose whatever is the natural frequency of this air, if it becomes equal to the natural frequency of the tuning fork, then resonance will happen and you will hear a loud sound. Okay, but now suppose initially you are not hearing a loud sound, so what you will do, you will start changing the position of this B, make it up and down, so that this air column will change. If you make the B up and down, if the level of water A will go down, the air column will increase. So when the air column will increase, then the frequency, the particles will become more. So one stage will come when resonance will occur and you will hear a very loud sound. Now if you increase this, experimentally it has been seen that if you increase this length, this is the length of the air column, if you increase this length to 3 times again, इसको ऐसा adjust करो, suppose ये अगर 5 centimeter है, ये जो air column है, this is 5 centimeter, then move B such a way that it becomes 5 3s are 15. The air column का length 5 से 15 centimeter हो जाता है. Then again you will hear a resonance. If you are hearing the resonance at 5 centimeter, you will again hear it at 3 times. That is 5 into 3, that is 15 centimeter. And again you will hear it at the 5th, that is 5 5s are 25. So whenever the air column becomes 3 times of the resonance when it occurred for the first time, or the 5 times, again you will hear a second resonance and a 5th resonance. So this is what is the experiment about. We are making the air column resonate with the help of the tuning fork. So, and when resonance will be heard? When the frequency of the air column equals the frequency of the tuning fork. Now here we cannot change the frequency of the tuning fork because tuning fork का एक बार strike करके we have kept it over here. That is going to vibrate at its natural frequency. But this air column we can change by moving B up and down. By moving this B up and down we can change, and because of that the length of the air column will change, and when the length of the air column will change, the frequency will change. You have studied, na, frequency is inversely proportional to length. So when the length changes of the air column, then the frequency also changes, and when the frequency becomes equal to the frequency of the tuning fork, you are going to hear a loud sound because that is resonance. You mark that marking, that what was the length of the air column when you heard that loud sound. Now you adjust the length 3 times to that length, again you will hear a loud sound. Adjust it to 5 times, again you will hear the loud sound. So basically when you adjust the air column, you will hear the resonance will occur and you will hear a loud sound. You can measure the length at that time when you hear the loud sound. Now when you make this length 3 times or 5 times of it, again you are going to hear a second and third resonance. This is resonance in an air column.